Indeed, multimodal understanding is desirable because you learn more about the world. You learn more about people. You learn more about their condition. And so the system will be able to understand what the task that it's supposed to solve and the people and what they want better. We have done quite a bit of work on that, most notably in the form of two major neural nets that we've done. One is called CLIP and one is called DALI. And both of them move towards this multimodal direction. But I also want to say that I don't see the situation as a binary either or, that if you don't have vision, if you don't understand the world visually or from video, then things will not work. And I'd like to make the case for that. So I think that some things are much easier to learn from images and diagrams and so on. But I claim that you can still learn them from text only, just more slowly. And I'll give you an example. Consider the notion of color. Surely one cannot learn the notion of color from text only. And yet, when you look at the embeddings, I need to make a small detour to explain the concept of an embedding.
Yeah.
Every neural network represents words, sentences, concepts through representations, embeddings, high-dimensional vectors. And one thing that we can do is that we can look at those high-dimensional vectors and we can look at what's similar to what. How does the network see this concept or that concept? And so we can look at the embeddings of colors. And embeddings of colors happen to be exactly right. You know, it knows that purple is more similar to blue than to red, and it knows that purple is less similar to red than orange is. It knows all those things just from text. How can that be? So if you have vision, the distinctions between color just jump at you. You immediately perceive them. Whereas with text, it takes you longer. Maybe you know how to talk and you already understand syntax and words and grammars, and only much later you say, oh, these colors, actually start to understand them. So this will be my point about the necessity of multimodality, which I claim it is not necessary, but it is most definitely useful. I think it's a good direction to pursue.